In front of me is OnePlus Nord 6, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Accessibility and Convenience. Then you need to scroll again and this time select one-handed mode. Now use this switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it. And unfortunately, if you're using trickies navigation, here's the point when you switch it to gestures. If you want, you won't be able to use one-handed mode on this device. So let's switch it to by tapping on Settings, hitting Gestures and choosing Cancel. You can always select Learn if you want to go through a quick tutorial about using gestures on your smartphone. Go back, tap on gray switcher and follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode fully, use the same now blue switcher. And to go back to trickies navigation, if you switched it to gestures, go back to main section of Settings, tap on System and Update, then System Navigation, misclick. It should be here, System Navigation and Buttons. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!